here we are on this nice winter's day here. I've got my 99 GMC Sierra, and noticed lately, actually last couple years, I haven't bothered to do anything about it, but the lights are really dim on this thing. You can hardly see down the road. They're just not shining bright at all. So I bought a pack of LED lights, and we're going to throw them in today and see what kind of difference that makes. I'm sure it will really improve the situation. All right, I've got my 1999 GMC Sierra here, and what I'm going to do is replace the light bulbs. And I've got a set here of Silver Star Sylvania LED bulbs, and we're going to replace them. And first thing we're going to do is pull this pin right here, set that aside, and then this one, go like that and pull that straight up. That comes out. And then this whole assembly here is loose. There, I got that to swing loose. Pull that out like so. Then you have access to the bright bulb right here. Super easy. What you're gonna want to do is pull up on this tab right here and push back, and then take your wire off like that. And then we're going to do a little bit of a turn here that direction, and that will shimmy out of there just like that. Now, nothing wrong with this bulb, it's just super dim, so we're just going to go with the LEDs, make it super bright. See if I can tell. Here's the bulb, the original bulb. I put the old one back in again, and then we're gonna check out the new one, see how much brighter that is, if I can tell. Well, there's the new one. I can definitely tell it's brighter. Definitely like a bright white. Yep, lighten up everything around it much more. Like so. Give it a twist. She locks right in place, and you can plug your wire back in. Until she clicks. Weasel this back into place, which may be the hardest part of all. Oop, not really, not that time. The hardest part is putting these pins back in, because sometimes they do not want to line up. And I have fought with these for many minutes before get those set in there just right, and then turn them and lock them in, and then you are good to go. Wow, that went surprisingly well. That didn't go in too bad at all that time. Locked it in, so just put your pins in, turn them, and now let's check out the old versus the new. So you can definitely see the white, bright white of the passenger compared to the yellow, kind of a dull of the driver's side. Not too bad. I think we're going to do the other side, and then we're loving this new change. They were super dim at night, very hard to see far out, but this should really change things. Yeah, I went ahead and did the driver's side too. It's just a real easy, same concept. Just took me a couple minutes. I just took these two rods out again, and then just replaced the one bulb. We're just doing the center bulbs here today. Huge difference. Super bright white lights. Hard to tell because it's daylight out here, but I'm gonna give this thing a run tonight, and then I'm sure I'll be impressed by the change for sure. If you got something out of this video, go ahead and subscribe and give me a like on this one, and check back because I got a lot more of these videos coming up, and I've got a lot on my channel too, so make sure to check it out, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. See ya.